We live in a connected world. Every message, every search, every video you watch, it all travels through invisible highways of data. But what if tomorrow's internet didn't just move information faster? It made information unhackable? What if the next revolution isn't about speed, but about certainty? Welcome to Aam Daily. Learn something new every day. Today's internet works on classical physics, ones and zeros, bits and bytes, all transferred by electricity and light. It's fast, yes. But it's also fragile. Every message can be copied, intercepted, and hacked. Now imagine an internet built not on classical bits, but quantum bits, or qubits. An internet that makes hacking physically impossible. That is the promise of the quantum internet. For decades, the internet connected our world. But soon, a new kind of connection will reshape it again, one that doesn't just transmit data, but trust. The question is not how fast it will be. The question is how real it will make truth. To understand the quantum internet, we must enter a world that defies logic. The quantum world. In this strange reality, particles can exist in two states at once, and two particles separated by distance can be instantly connected through what Einstein once called spooky action at a distance. This is quantum entanglement, and it's the foundation of everything that follows. Classical computers use bits, ones or zeros. But a qubit can be both 1 and 0 at the same time. That's what gives quantum computing its extraordinary power. And when we connect qubits across a network, we get something new, quantum communication. Here, messages are not sent in the usual sense, they are entangled. If anyone tries to intercept or copy the information, the quantum link collapses. In simple words, you'll know immediately if someone is spying. Right now, scientists are already testing early versions of this network. China has connected cities with quantum communication lines. The Netherlands and the United States are developing quantum nodes, special computers that transmit entangled data. The European Union is building its Quantum Internet Alliance, planning for a continent-wide system by 2030. Each experiment brings us closer to a world where information moves through light particles that obey quantum rules, not digital ones. The quantum internet won't replace the current web. It will run beside it, handling only the most critical information, financial data, military communication, and scientific research. But over time, it will expand. Imagine a world where elections can't be hacked, where your medical data can't be leaked, where money transfers can't be stolen. Quantum communication changes the very definition of private. It doesn't make the internet faster, it makes it truthful. Once communication becomes quantum secure, entire industries will transform. Banks will no longer rely on passwords. Governments will store top-secret data on quantum links. AI systems will coordinate securely across continents. Even cryptocurrencies could evolve into quantum money, impossible to clone or counterfeit. The future of the economy will be built not just on value, but verification. Quantum particles are fragile. A tiny vibration, a change in temperature, even stray radiation can destroy the quantum state. That's why building a global quantum network is incredibly hard. Cables must be perfect. Devices must stay near absolute zero. But every scientific leap, from electricity to the internet, started with impossible challenges. And every time, humanity found a way. If the classical internet connects computers, the quantum internet might one day connect minds and machines, a system that mirrors the entanglement of thought itself. It will enable quantum computing in the cloud, allow teleportation of quantum states, and maybe even link human consciousness to data in ways we can't yet imagine. In a sense, it's not just the next web. It's the beginning of a new layer of reality. Every great leap in history started with connection. Fire connected tribes. Language connected minds. The internet connected humanity. And now, the quantum internet might connect truth itself. Because when we can no longer fake data or manipulate signals, we may rediscover something deeper, trust. And maybe, that's what progress was always meant to build. The quantum internet is still being born. But someday soon, you may open your device and realize, the world no longer just connects information, it connects integrity. Until that day comes, remember this, technology evolves, but meaning is still human. Thank you for watching Aam Daily, the future explained. Learn something new every day. See you tomorrow.